Good afternoon, viewers. 30th March 2015. This is Prince Messin Gold. How's everyone doing? As you can see on the daily chart, this is crude oil continuous CFDs. Alright, we are in a sideways trading range, and the box that I've drawn is from the end of December, like beginning of the January, up till now. Okay, just hold on, lost connection here. Alright, let's get started. No need to worry about the connection. I'm going to do a very quick review for you. As you know, we are using moving averages for our trading decisions. If the price is above the moving averages, then the market sentiment is bullish. That's how the strategy dictates, and we cannot use our emotions. Alright, but very fundamentally, just some fundamental information. On 25th and 26th March, these are 25th and 26th March, the price broke up above the moving averages because of the war crisis going on in the Middle East between Saudi Arabia and Yemen, and other Gulf countries are also participating in. So later on, when the market went at these highs, this is the resistance 52.38, one of the swing highs. Let me delete this one. The market realized that, hey, this is an American crude oil, we've got a lot of supplies, and there's more oil being pumped out of the ground than it's being used. So once the traders realized, everybody took short positions here. And when you're short here, if you're using daily chart, you can close your positions at next trend line or at the moving averages. You can use moving averages also for stops and targets as well. Let's go to our 1 hour chart quickly. Okay, so here's the plan. You remember the trend line, ascending triangle that I drew? I said you can place a buy stop above this trend line. Maybe first time you got stopped out, second time you made a good winner out of it. Yep. That's but that was the previous strategy. For now, what should we do is that this support trend line is still valid. Now we fell down. We're at these lows, and here are a couple of scenarios. First one is I'm not going to discuss this current situation, but I'll tell you one of the future situations. If you're not taking any trading action, okay, you have two solutions. First, you can put a buy stop above this swing high, like 52.38, maybe 52.50. You can put a buy stop to continue trending towards the upside if it's a successful breakout and the buyers are really in charge, and fundamentally speaking, if the war has really serious impact on oil market. So first is a buy stop. Second is having a sell stop below this trend on a 1 hour trend, 1 hour chart trend below this, because this, I consider this trend line to be very serious. So second is having a sell stop below this trend line. Okay, let's speak about the current situation. Today we've made a new lower low. Now we don't know if this is really a continuation towards the downside or it's a fake out breakout by the sellers. Buyers are still, probably buyers are still in control, I don't know. So here's what I would suggest. We shot down and we are really near this trend line. Okay, probably what we're going to do is test today's high, and if the buyers are really in control, we'll have just a minor pullback somewhere here like this. I'll make it a little bit bigger so it's clear, and again start trending towards upside. So you can have scenario number 3. Scenario 1, buy stop here. Scenario 2, sell stop here. Scenario number 3, for current market situation, you can have a buy stop above today's market. Make sure the price is above today's moving average. If you can get a buy cross, yellow above the red, and then a pullback, I'll explain you that later. Maybe it's irrelevant, no need to discuss it now. So you put a buy stop up to enter 5 to 10 ticks. Just don't send a fake one. You put a buy stop, and your next target would be this high or this high, or you can close partially at 51 and then partially at 52. This is for current scenario. Scenario number 4. If this is a trend continuation pattern, we should go towards these moving averages, and probably then we're gonna break towards the downside. I don't want to short or have a sell stop below today's low because I have this trend line on the way and I have this resistance. So what's resistance becomes support. So there's plenty of this zone I would consider as a support zone. Seriously, it's a danger zone. That's how I would like to define it. So when we break, the best thing would be to place your sell stop below this trend line, which is of course similar to scenario number 2, but I'm like converting this to meet the current situation. So scenario 3 was buy stop above today's high, make sure the prices are above the moving averages. Scenario number 4, the last one, you could put a sell stop here below the moving average and start continuing to start trending towards the downside, and you can take your profits at this low of 25th March or 24th March. Alright, that's it on Crude for now. That's how I'm viewing the market for now. If you have any questions, feel free to post in the Skype room, and the YouTube, feel free to comment in the in the comment box below this video. And if you want to open a trading account, feel free to click on the AvaTrade referral link and go through their website. And if you're concerned about your security of funds with this brokerage, go to the About Us section, and there's a section called Safety of Funds. And have a great day. Good luck with your trading. Bye bye, friends.